Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to Civil Engineering Zone YouTube channel. Dear students, in today's topic we are going to study that how to calculate depth and width of beam. So dear students, let's suppose we have a beam. The total length of this beam is 20 feet. So now if you want to calculate the depth and width of this beam, so first of all we draw the cross section of this beam. So now dear students, for the depth calculation we have three different conditions. The first condition to find the depth of beam is if we have a simply supported beam, so we take the total length of the beam and then we divide this total length of the beam by 16. And then we have the second condition if we have a 1 inch continuous beam, so on those cases we divide this total L by 18.5. and then the third condition if the both end of the beam is continuous, so on those cases we divide this total length of the beam by 21. And then if we have the cantilever beam, so we divide the length of the beam by 8. So now dear students, if this given beam is a simply supported beam and if we want to calculate the depth of this beam, so dear students, we take the total length of the beam which is 20 feet and we divide this total length of the beam by 16, because for the simply supported beam we divide the total length by 16. So from here we can get the value in term of feet. And now the students, to convert this value into inches, we multiply this term by 12. So from here we can get the depth of beam in term of inches. And now the students, come to the width of beam. The students, to calculate the width of the beam we have a thumb rule. The students, remember, if the span of the beam is 15 to 25 feet, so the depth and width ratio should be 1.5 to 2. And dear students, if the span length is greater than 25 feet, so the depth and width ratio should be 3 to 4. And dear students, also remember the beam width should be an even number. Okay. Now dear students, if you want to calculate the width of this beam, so for this we have the condition if the span length of the beam is 15 to 25 feet, so the depth and width ratio should be 1.5 to 2. So dear students, as you can see over here, the length of this beam is 20 feet. So dear students, we take the total depth which is 15 inches and we divide this term by 1.5. So from here we can get the width of beam which is 10 inches. Now dear students, for your information, also remember the size of the beam should not be less than 9 cross 9 inches. And dear students, also remember the number of main bars should be 4. The one main bar should be on each corner. Okay. And dear students, also remember the top main bars of the beam should not be less than number 3 and the bottom bar should not be less than number 4. Dear students, also remember the concrete cover of the beam should not be less than 1.5 inches. And dear students, also remember if we provide some extra main bar in a beam, so dear students, remember the spacing of these two bar should be equal to the bar diameter or equal to 1 inches. So dear students, this is our today's topic. I hope you will be learning something new from this lecture. If you have any question related to this topic, please comment on my channel. I will try to reply your answer. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.